there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. You got questions, consult a financial professional. Hey, I had a killer webinar yesterday. Absolutely killer. OptionPitMembers.com/fix. And you can review the webinar as well. It's at the bottom of the page. As well as you can sign up for Repairing Terrible Trades, which is this Sunday. 3+ hours of awesome stuff. It's going to be a lot of awesome sauce between me and Andrew and Keith. And you're going to be a happy camper that you took this. Just $197. When we put it in the store in a couple of weeks, it'll be next week it'll be $300. So you're getting a deal, and that's where you can see the replay. Speaking of the replay, how about a replay of a nightmare scenario for Facebook? Facebook is down almost 20%. Super ugly day for Facebook. But what's interesting, take a look. The Dow is up almost 150. The Russell 2000 is up 6-7 points. You got the S&P down, and the NASDAQ down over 1%. So kind of across the board, a little bit of screwiness. The VIX is actually down because even though the NASDAQ's down big, there's actually a lot less uncertainty with Facebook earnings out. With Facebook earnings, you can see Amazon's getting slapped, Alibaba's getting slapped. Google, which already reported, not taking it as much, but you can also see that Apple is actually bucking the trend. It looks up. We have a lot of earnings tonight and tomorrow morning that is really going to set the tone and I think set for volatility to drop. Tonight we've got Amazon earnings, which is what, the third largest company in the world. You have Intel, which is a top 10 S&P company. A lot of people don't realize that. It is a huge company. You have ExxonMobil and Chevron, both massive companies that are top 10. They both report in the morning, as well as a whole host of other earnings out there. All right. Along with those, you get, you're going to see some vol fall out of the market. So we're going to be playing with Facebook, looking for kind of a rebound trade. We're going to maybe look at, we're not going to probably do an Amazon trade, but we're going to look at kind of what the market is expecting out of Amazon. Another thing that I'm going to be looking at today is the payment processors. PayPal's down. PayPal had good earnings, but they're down. Visa had great earnings. It's down. And, today with those down, it's not hip to be Square. They still have earnings next week, but Square is taking it on the chin as well. So those, I'm going to be kind of fooling around with the payment processors, seeing what's there and what I want to trade. And then, the way things look to me, I think we could go green today in the S&P. We're never going to go green on the NASDAQ. But I think you're going to see the Dow, the RUT, and the S&P all potentially go green. I think VIX could threaten 12 again today. And certainly tomorrow if earnings go the way, if Amazon earnings are good. And then the last two kind of mega caps left after tomorrow are Apple and Procter & Gamble. And then we're basically done with kind of the bulk of earnings. Looking at the individual sectors, you can see the biotechs are down, and drug stocks and tech, as you might expect. Everything else is pretty green. Financials look slightly up, but utilities are strong. Consumer non-discretionary is strong. So, and obviously industrials are way up too. So things are looking like we could be pretty well higher today. And so I think that there's some money to be made here today. And Andrew and I in the Mark and Andrew show, which is going to happen here shortly, are going to be all set to kind of look at opportunities. All right, folks, I hope you have a great morning, and I will talk to you soon.